just be getting back on the highway and heading home.
I wasn't planning to do any exploring today, and I wasn't planning to shoot any video today after packing up camp. But I got a pretty early start, I'm not feeling rushed, and I've got quite a large swath of wilderness to get across. I may get distracted. This episode will mostly be just trail footage and music as I zigzag my way out of the backcountry. I was just working my way back out on a different route from what I came in on. I noticed this little pathway that's like going up to a little rocky high point, and I'm pretty sure there's kind of a vista off just beyond those trees. So I'm just gonna walk out there and see. Now I know how my car feels. It's too bad it's a little hazy. Probably would look a little nicer. There's the car way down there in Mount Jefferson again. You can just barely see the canyon that I was looking down at from the campsite a couple nights ago. This is interesting. So my goal was just to get out of the backcountry, get down to the highway and start working my way back home. But I saw a little side road that just looked a little too intriguing, and so I followed it, and all of a sudden here I am seeing my rocky ridge again. And so I'm just gonna see where this goes. Oh, well, that didn't last long. I bet if I look on the map later, there's that same piece of land where I ran into the gate yesterday. Bet you anything. I'm a little turned around, but that's got to be what that is. Well, I can see a little side road on the map that looks like it sort of goes up over a ridge and may cut off a couple of long dog legs. So we'll give it a try. Might be a more interesting route than this smooth gravel road. Yeah, it just gets worse and worse the further up you go. It looks like no one's been up this road in years. All right, what's going to be interesting here is getting back down this thing. I don't remember seeing any place where even the small car could turn around. I'm gonna have to go backwards over those big bumps. That was the easy one. It's that really big one that I'm not looking forward to. No problem, little forester. There's definitely a spot back here I can turn around.
Well, I thought I was done when I got back onto that big gravel road, but one more little trail was calling me, and this was my favorite of the day. The midday light doesn't do it any justice, and you can't really tell how steep of a slope I was on, but this was a sweet little forgotten road on a forested hillside, occasionally running alongside a tiny creek, and it was just the perfect way to cap off the weekend.
weekend. Even though very little went according to plan, couldn't get my first original campsite, couldn't get down into some of the areas I thought I was going to get into, ended up camping in a completely different area than I planned on. Still, really a lot of fun. It was fun to explore and just get out there. It just goes to show you that you don't have to absolutely know exactly where it is that you're going. Get out into the national forest, explore some roads. There's campsites everywhere. You just gotta look for them. Back on pavement, you know what that means.
Time to air up and head home.
Yeah, I think very soon I'm gonna do some cutting on that plastic. Maybe get rid of those giant mufflers too, put something smaller up in there.